Back everyone, you may be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram stories are just not working. So maybe you go ahead and load up an Instagram story like this, and for some reason they're just not working out properly, or there's some issues with them, or maybe they're not even loading up here. Well, I'm going to tell you almost 100% of the time, I'll say 99% of the time, the reason why that is happening is because you actually have some sort of Instagram server problem. So what this is, and it's not just you, it's with pretty much anyone out there, Instagram may be temporarily down. So what happens here is that Instagram, the application, may end up being down for everybody. So all you will have to do is make your way to the comment section of this video, leave a comment saying, hey, is Instagram down? And if a lot of other people are commenting around your comment and they're liking your comment, well, that probably means Instagram is down. If nobody's commenting that or this video has no views, then that probably means Instagram isn't down yet. So that's pretty much the fastest way to go ahead and determine that. Now, let's say it doesn't seem like Instagram is down. Nobody's tweeting about it. Nobody else is talking about it. Well, the other thing you can do is update your Instagram application. So you can go ahead and make your way over to your app store and you can search up the Instagram app just like this. And all you want to do is go ahead and update this application. I will also say for a majority of people out there, this is probably going to fix it for you. In my experience, this is the thing that's almost every time fixed it for me. And updating the application is one of the easiest things you can do. So update the app and you kind of want to see what happens there. If there are still some issues, then we can kind of move on from there. But this is the first thing after, it being down is the next thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if that's still having issues, what I'd recommend doing is logging out of your Instagram application and logging back in. That is another thing you can do to pretty much fix this issue. If that is still causing issues, what I'd recommend doing is deleting Instagram entirely and loading back into it. So delete that application, reinstall it, and that will probably end up fixing it for you as well. Again, not quite a guarantee, but it's one of those things you can do to pretty much fix it. Now, if none of those things seem to be working, you may want to check your network connection as well. Make sure you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi connection, internet connection, all that good stuff. But typically you should be good to go from here, and hopefully you're not having any other issues with Instagram. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.